All right, ladies and gentlemen, charcoal worksheet number 2 is going to be about practicing your features. So now not only are you practicing using charcoal, but you're also practicing features. So this time around I found some charcoal artists who had some good ways of doing the features. So we're going to copy them. So we're going to practice by copying. So you're going to look here and you're going to start with where is it dark. Now don't just do inside the nose. You're going to do all of this block. So you're going to do right around that feature. So you're going to start kind of where it's darker, maybe blend a little bit, and then kind of, you can even take the stuff from your fingers just like before. Make sure where it's super dark, it gets dark. You want to make sure you're getting that whole range of values. So you're going to work your way across. Where is it lighter? Where is it darker? Look at the shapes of the shadows. That's really why we're practicing these today, is figuring out how do those muscles and things that we drew and those features that we drew, how do those shadows work to make it look realistic? So you're going to work, kind of blend, where is it darker, where is it lighter, slowly work your way around until you've got that whole feature done. And you've got a range of values. So you've got the darkest dark, you've got very light areas, you've got kind of medium areas, you figured out where it's a little darker, where it's a little lighter. Feel free to layer, especially as you're working. The darker areas are going to if you touch them too much, they're going to get lighter. So you might want to layer in to get those really super dark darks. This here is not quite that light. So you're going to work your way around. It's going to take you a little while to work on this. You have an entire period to get this as detailed as you can, with as many versions of those shadows as you can. So once you've done one feature, move your way across. Once again, if you are left-handed, you might want to work from this side of the paper to this side. If you're right-handed, work from this side to this side, just so that you're not smudging things as you're working your way around. Realize some of these features are much darker than others, so there's very little light spaces in this one, so it should be really dark. Same with this one. Where is it darker, where is it lighter? One thing before I let you get started, in your eye, one of the things that I noticed very quickly is that people will do the entire area around the eye and they'll forget that your pupil is darker than the white area around it. So you've got to get that pupil and that iris nice and dark, and then you can go in and get the other values inside that eye. So by the end of class today, this needs to be done. You need to clean up your area as stated in the cleanup video from last class. And then at the end of class, do not put this in your sketchbook. Give it to Miss Chesser or Miss Chesser sub so that it goes directly into the folder and it does not get smudged in your sketchbook. So go work on charcoal worksheet number 2.